Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekkalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 14F. See the first sum. Taking pi is equal to 3.14. The pi value what they are given that we are going to substitute here. So pi is equal to 3.14 and find the area of the circle. I am going to find out the area of a circle whose radius is given. Can you understand what I am trying to say? Listen. See, this is a circle. They are given the radius. I am going to find out the area. So these areas I am going to find out with the radius what they are given. I am going to find out. Got it? Now listen. The first step, write the area of a circle formula. Solution. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. See, area means the unit should be in what? Square. So pi, what is they are given? 3.14. Radius is what? 10 centimeter. So into 10 into 10. So listen children, 3.14 into, first you multiply this 10s are, which is what? 100. So 3.14 into 100 is what? 314.2 zeros is just you can cancel the zeros. Can you clear this? Now write the answer. Area of the circle is equal to 314. What is the unit given there? Centimeter square you are going to write. Now, so the radius what we have to take? 25 millimeter. Now write the solution for this. First step, write the formula. What is the area of a circle formula? Area of a circle is equal to pi r square units. So what is it? Pi 3.14 into 25 into 25. Just do it in the rough column. 3.14 into 25. Listen. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry over. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 3s are 15. Put a star. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Now you can add this 0. 8 plus 7 is what? 15. 1 carry over. 8. And this is what? 7. So 2 digit after you have to keep the decimal. So what is it? 78.50. When I multiple this to, I can get 78.50. Again I am going to multiple with what? 25. So one more 25 I am going to multiple. Same 0. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry over. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 is what? 42. So 4 carry over. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4 is what? 39. And put a star. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. So 1 carry over, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 is what, 17, again 1 carry over, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 is what, 15. So now 5, 2, 9 plus 7 is what, 16, so 1 carry over, 5 plus 3 is 8, 9, again what is this, 1. So listen children, 2 digit after I am going to keep the decimal. So when I multiple these two, what is my answer? 1962.50. Write the unit. What is the unit given here? Millimeter square. Now you can write the answer. Area of the circle is equal to 1962.50 millimeter square. So these are the rough columns. We have to do it in this sum. Next I will move on to the next sum. Can you clear this children? See, listen. Taking pi equal to 22 by 7. See, in the previous sum they are given pi is equal to 3.14, which is in the decimal. Here they are given in the fraction. So which is what, 22 by 7. Now I am going to find the area of a circle whose diameter is 28 centimeter. They are given the diameter. See, diameter is equal to twice the radius. Is it clear? Diameter is what? Twice the radius. So radius is equal to d by 2. So radius is equal to 28 by 2, which is what? 14 centimeter. Now I can substitute in the formula. Area of a circle formula. Okay, area of a circle is equal to pi r square square unit. See, what is the pi they are given? 22 by 7. R, what is that? 14 into 14. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. Now listen children, 22 into 14 twos are what? 28. Just you can do it this in the rough column. See, what is that? 28 into 22. 8 twos are 16, balance 1. 2 twos are 4 and 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So 6, 1, 6. So 616. What is the unit they are given? Centimeter square. Now write the answer. Area of the circle is equal to 616 centimeter square. Now listen children. Here also the diameter is equal to we have to take which is given. So diameter is equal to 2.1 meter, radius equal to 2.1 divided by 2, because the radius is what? D by 2. Okay. Now listen. See this? Area of a circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square square units. What is a pi? Which is a 22 by 7. And r square is what? 2.1 divided by 2 into 2.1 divided by 2. Okay. Now listen children. 2 ones are, 2 levels are 22. Again 7 ones are, 7 threes are 21, but 0.3 you have to write because it is in what? Decimal. Okay, so 7 ones are 7. So I cannot divide with the 2. So while I am taking the next 2-digit number, 7 threes are what? 21. So now what you have to do? 11 into 0.3 into 2.1 divided by 2. Just you have to do all these calculations here. Listen, 11 into, these are the rough columns I have to do. 11 into 0.3, which is what? 33, so 3.3 into 2.1. So 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3, 9, 6. Okay, so 2-digit after you have to keep the decimal. So listen, now come here, 6.93 divided by 2. So after all this 3, when I multiple, what is my answer? 6.93. So this I am going to divide with what? 2. Okay, 2 threes are 6. Now drag the next number, keep the decimal as it is. 2 fours are 8. 4s are 8. Balance 1 and drag the next number, which is 3. 6 are 12. Balance 1. Already the decimal is there, so I can add how many zeros I want, I can add. So I am adding 1 0. Now what is that? 5s are 10. Got it? So the answer is 3.465. What is given the question unit? Meter. So meter square. So your answer is what? Area of the circle is equal to 3.465 meter square. Can you clear this, children? Shall I move on to the next sum? See the third sum. Here, given the area, they are given the area, I am going to find out the radius. Got it? Area they are given, I am going to find out the radius. So listen. Solution. Area is equal to pi r square. Substitute here 113.04 is equal to, and pi what I am going to take, 3.14 into r square. So listen, 113.04, this 3.14 is in multiplication with r square. When it comes to the equal to this side, it becomes what? Division. So 3.14 is equal to r square. So both are in the 2-digit after the decimal. So what I have to do? Just I multiple by 100 to removing the decimal. Okay, when I multiple by 100, what is my answer? 11304 divided by 314, because I multiple here also by 100 and here also by 100. So what is it? R square. Now listen, I can cancel this by what? 314 ones are 314. This is what? 36 r. Got it? So 36 r. So 36 is equal to r square. So r is equal to square root of 36. So r is equal to 6. So I am going to write the answer. Radius is equal to 6 millimeter. This is your radius. Now the same thing, area is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to pi r square. So 28.26 is equal to 3.14 into r square. So listen children, 28.26 divided by 3.14 is equal to r square. Here also I am multiplying by what? 100, because of I am taking the decimal. So 2826 divided by 314 is equal to r square. So 314 ones are 314, and this is what? 9s are. Okay, so 9 is equal to r square. So r is equal to square root of 9, because only I am going to find out the radius. So no need of r square. So I am taking the square root for that. So r is equal to square root of 9 means what? R is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. Perfect square. So r is equal to 3. Now my answer, radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Can you understand this children? Shall I move on to the next sum? Listen. A radio station broadcast a signal over an area with 77 kilometer radius. What is the area of the region that received the signal? Here I am going to take a pi equal to 22 by 7. Okay, so the radius is what? Listen. Solution. Radius is equal to 77 kilometer, as well pi I am going to take to be what? 22 by 7. Now I am going to write the area of the circle. So area of the circle what? Pi r square, square units. Okay, what is the pi here? 22 by 7. And radius is what? 77 into 77. Listen children, 7 ones are 7 levels are. So 22 into 11 into 77. Just I am going to do this in the rough column. 22 into 11 is what? 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2, 4, 2. Again I am going to multiple with 77. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry over, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1 is what? 29. Again 2 carry over, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. Okay, again 1 6 9 4. So 4, 3, 1 carry over, which is what? 16. 1 carry over, 8, 1. So the final answer is 18,634. What is the unit? Kilometer square. So finally write the answer. They are asking the area of the region. So write that area of the region is equal to 18,634 kilometer square. Shall we move on to the next sum children? See here, find the area of the shaded portion. Take pi equal to 22 by 7. I am going to take a pi 22 by 7 and the shaded portion. See the 1/4 they are shaded. Is it or not? See the circle, it is shaded 1/4. So what I have to do means I no need to find out the full area. Just what is the shaded part, that alone I am going to find out. So write the area of a circle formula and divide that by 4, because the quadrant is what? 1 by 4. So if I divide by 4, I can get the area of the shaded portion. Listen. Solution. See in the question, what is the radius they are given? 7 centimeter, and we have to take pi to be what? 22 by 7. Now listen, area of the shaded portion is equal to, write the area of a circle formula, pi r square. Only 1/4 they are shaded, so I am going to divide this by 4. Got it? See, suppose they are shaded a semicircle means, listen, of theirs here also they shaded means I can divide that by 2, but only the 1/4 they are shaded, so I have written here 4. I have divided this by 4, so 22 by 7 into, what is the r square here? 7 into 7 divided by 4. Got it, children? How can I write this? See, substitute the pi value, which is 22 by 7, and in the numerator, what is there? R square. So 7 into 7, and the quadrant. So for that I divide this by what? 4. Now listen, 7 getting cancelled. 22 11s are, and this is what? 2s are. Okay, now listen, level 7s are 77. 77 divided by 2. Just do it in the rough column. 77 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, balance 1, and 2 8s are 16, balance 1, and keep your decimal. Decimal there, and 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 38.5. What is the unit they are given here? Centimeter. So centimeter square. Now you have to write the answer. Area of the shaded portion is equal to centimeter square. Write the unit, children, or else you will lose half a mark. So write the units. See the sixth sum. Listen, calculate each shaded area. All measurements are in centimeter. So there is a 2 circles here. Okay, I can say it is a concentric circle. So circle inside the circle. So I can say it to be a what? Concentric circle. And they are given the inner circle radius is 7 centimeter. And the outer circle radius is what? 14 centimeter. So only the thing I am going to find out the what is that? I am going to find out the shaded area. So what is it here in the green color? No, that I am going to find out. So what I am going to do that? First I am going to find out the area for the outer circle as well as the area for the inner circle. After getting these two, I am going to subtract. Once if I subtract, I can get the shaded part. Can you understand? Let me see how we can do this. Listen. Solution. Listen, area of shaded region is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. See, outer circle radius. Outer circle radius is what? 14 centimeter, as well as the inner circle radius is 7 centimeter. So from the figure I can write this. Okay. Now listen, pi r square minus pi r square. Substitute the radius here. 22 by 7. Radius, what is that? 14 into 14 minus pi, what is that? 22 by, one second, pi 22 by 7. Substitute that pi value. 22 by 7 into, what is the r? 7 into 7. Listen children, 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. Here this 7 getting cancelled. So 22 twos are 44 into 14 minus 22 into 7. I am going to multiply this 2 and this 2 and I am going to subtract. Just we do it in the rough column. 44 into 14. 4 fours are 16. 1 carry over. 4 fours are 16. 1 17 and this is what? 44. 6. 11. 1 carry over. 4 5 6. So 616 minus 7 twos are 14. Carry over 1. 7 twos are 14, which is what? 154. So if I subtract this, see this, 2, 11 minus 5 is what? This become 5 and this become what? 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So finally the shaded part is 462 centimeter square. Clear this? So the answer is area of shaded region is equal to 462 centimeter square. Can you clear this children? Shall I move on to the next sum? See this. 2 square boxes. In this 2 circles are there. And I am going to find out the shaded region, which is in the red color part, no? That I am going to find out. See, listen. Here, the side, what they are given? 8 meter. Side, what they are given? 8 meter. And side 8 meter means what? A diameter is 8 meter. So, this part is no diameter. So, 8 meter. So now I am going to find out the radius. See, what is the radius? 8 by 2, which is what? 4 centimeter. So the radius is 4 centimeter. Listen children, how I am going to find out the area of the shaded part. Area of a shaded region is equal to 2 squares are there. See, from this part to this part is what? 1 square. And from this part to this part is what? 2 squares. The sides are same. So I can write in to be what? 2 into area of a square minus 2 into area of a circle. Can you understand this? So area of a circle formula is what? Side into side. Minus 2 into area of the circle is what? Pi r square. Okay. Now listen. Side, what is that given? 8. So 8 into 8. 2 into, what is the pi value? 3.14. Radius is what? 4 into 4. So listen. 2 into 8 8s are 64. Minus 2 into 3.14 into 4 4s are is what? 16. So you have to do this in the rough column. Listen children. So here listen. Multiple this. 2 into 64 is what? 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. So which is what? 128 minus 32 into, see listen, 2 16s are 32. So 3.14 into 32. 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2 and 3 2s are is what? 6. 4 3s are 12, 1 3 1s are 3, 4, again 3 3s are 9. So 8, 4, 0, 1 carry over. This is what? 10. 2 digit after you have to keep the decimal. Okay. Now listen. Minus 100, 0.48. Just you subtract this 128 minus 48. Subtract this. This is what? 10, 9. So this is 7. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. And 7 minus 0 is 7. See what is that? 2. 2 minus 0, 2. So the answer is So the answer is 27.52 meter square. So the answer is area of the shaded region is equal to 27.52 meter square. Or I can write into be what? Centimeter square also, because for all that measurement what they tell that to take a centimeter, no, so I can write centimeter or meter. See, in the sum they are given the meter. So I have written here meter square. Can you clear this children? Thank you children. We will see in the next class.